Understanding the role of a cable technician. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting profession, cable technician. This is a term you might have heard, but what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out more about the role and responsibilities of a cable technician. A cable technician is a professional who specializes in installing, maintaining, and repairing cable systems. These systems can include television, internet, and telephone services. They work both indoors and outdoors, setting up hardware, troubleshooting problems, and ensuring that customers have a smooth service experience. To be a successful cable technician, one needs a mix of technical and interpersonal skills. Technical skills are important for understanding and handling the equipment, while interpersonal skills are crucial for interacting with customers. Typically, cable technicians have a high school diploma and receive on-the-job training, but some might have additional certifications or technical education. The day-to-day tasks of a cable technician can vary, but generally include installing cable equipment in homes or businesses, troubleshooting issues that customers face with their cable service, maintaining and upgrading cable systems, ensuring safety standards are met during installation and maintenance. Like any job, being a cable technician comes with its challenges, such as working in various weather conditions and sometimes in tight spaces. However, it also offers rewards like solving complex problems, helping customers, and the opportunity to work with cutting-edge technology. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a cable technician does and the important role they play in keeping our communication systems running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content.